How to cancel membership on Patreon. In this video, we're going to be talking about Patreon and how you can go ahead and cancel your membership. So if you have a membership on Patreon and you want to go ahead and cancel it, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to the settings tab. And once you go over to the settings tab, what you're going to do is you're going to click on memberships. All right. And whatever memberships you have over here, they're going to give you a cancel option with it. So currently, as you can see, I'm not pledging to anyone right now, but if I did have a membership, it was going to appear here and it would have given me an option to cancel that membership immediately for myself right there and then. So yeah, that is pretty much all there is for this video. So if you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, that is pretty much on how you can cancel your membership on Patreon. Thank you for watching all the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.